Productivity is personal. You can read advice from others about how they get things done, but productivity tips that work for one person might not work for you and your work style. We all have moments when our brains don't seem to function at their maximum potential, or when our daily tasks seem more difficult than usual. One of the reasons for these experiences could be poor work efficiency. So it's time to enhance your remote working setup with gadgets to boost your productivity. Because everyone has their own working preferences, we included a large range of accessories to aid your productivity. Also, there are many apps which can track your progress and increase your productivity. With so many different tabs and tools available, it's important to identify what exactly you are looking for. Maybe you are an efficient note taker, but you have a really hard time staying focused on tasks. Or perhaps you have a great system to communicate with teammates and contacts, but you don't have an effective way to schedule meetings with them. In this video, we are breaking down the best productivity gadgets and apps for each of your different needs. But before moving on, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel Future Structure to get more awesome videos like this. Let's get started. On number 1, FeelZing Energy Patch. FeelZing Energy Patch is the first neurostimulation patch ever that helps to boost productivity, improve concentration, and gain extra energy for daily tasks. Its scientists spent more than 10 years on research and analysis. It works by targeting the nerves behind your ear and balancing your autonomic nervous system. A cool thing about this patch is that it is simple to use and can replace caffeine without having side effects like jitters, anxiety, or high heart rate. The FeelZing Energy Patch can be used twice. Just re-wrap the patch with convenient packaging, peel off the gel layer, and you are free to use it again whenever you need it. On number 2, SanDisk Wireless Stick. The SanDisk Connect Wireless Stick is a reinvented flash drive that lets you wirelessly access and share your files on any of your device's computer, phone, or tablet. You don't have to plug it in, except to charge it, or if you want to access your files the old-fashioned way. Share your files from a distance on multiple devices at the same time without the internet or wires. As long as the flash drive is within the vicinity, you can stream music and videos on up to 3 devices at the same time. Free up your phone or tablet memory. The SanDisk Wireless Stick is available in capacities from 16 GB up to 256 GB. On number 3, the Beam Smart Projector. The Beam Smart Projector lets you turn any surface into a screen. You can screw it into any light socket or use the included power cable and control it via the Beam remote app on your device. You can stream your device's screen or install apps like Google Slides or Adobe Acrobat Reader on the Beam's built-in computer. Show a presentation or share the content from your smart device and make your meeting or sales pitch more compelling. On number 4, Rapoo K2600 Wireless Multimedia Keyboard. The K2600 is the latest in a growing band of multimedia keyboards invading boardrooms and TV lounges, as businesses and movie fans alike discover that smarts, HTPC and business displays require more than just a remote control to make the most out of their functionalities. This keyboard comes with an integrated touchpad, but without physical mouse buttons, which is likely to irk purists that prefer the Logitech K400 Plus. Opens a new tab. At £24.99 from Margus opens a new tab roughly $30 show $45. It is cheaper than the aforementioned Logitech model, but less widely available. The much larger touch area of the K2600 means you will be able to swipe, pan, zoom, tilt, and perform all kinds of multitasking gestures, perhaps with greater ease. The peripheral connects with the host device via a bundled Bluetooth dongle lodged inside the keyboard with a range of up to 10 meters. But you won't be able to connect directly via Bluetooth, which is a shame. On number 5, VIZOR Laptop Glare Guard. If you work from home, you might have considered working outdoors when the weather is glorious. Unfortunately, the sunlight can impede your visibility. Fortunately, The VIZOR Laptop Glare Guard allows you to clearly see your screen on all occasions, improving your productivity. On number 6. Charby Pico GaN Wall Charger. Never experience low battery devices again with the Charby Pico GaN Wall Charger. This productivity gadget charges your devices quickly and safely. Additionally, it's smaller than your typical silicon charger, making it easy to store or take on the go. Plus, it can power your laptop, allowing you to keep your device charged while you're in the garden or working at a coffee shop. On number 7. Hive. Hive's productivity platform is one of the best tools on the market. When synced with Hive's desktop and web applications, the mobile app provides yet another way to improve work ethic and productivity throughout the day. With Hive, team members can check their to-do lists, communicate with one another in real time, collaborate on schedules, share files, and check up on the latest project progress. In addition to the mobile app, Hive's desktop and web applications have even more features to boost productivity. Every project can be viewed in multiple ways depending on someone's personal work style, including Gantt chart, Kanban board, calendar, and more. On number 8. Google Docs. Google Docs is one of the best tools for sharing documents and collaborating in real time. This online word processor eliminates the need to save and send files back and forth throughout the writing and editing process. Depending on your settings, you can share files and documents inside and outside of your organization. This lets team members work together from anywhere, reduces redundant documents, and helps minimize miscommunication. Google Sheets has similar benefits, such as the ability to import CSV into Google Sheets, which lets you keep all of your documents in one online hub. Google Docs also has a comment feature for highlighting and making notes about a specific piece of text. Comments directed at specific users will also trigger an email notification to make sure everyone stays in the loop. On number 9. Calendly. Calendly helps you schedule meetings without the back and forth emails. When you register for an account with Calendly, you'll be asked to sync your calendar and choose your availability preferences, including time slots 15-min, 30-min, 45-minute when you're available. Then, when you need to schedule a meeting, you simply give the person your Calendly link and they can choose the best time slot for them. No back and forth. How amazing! There are also a number of Calendly alternatives you can check out which offer different functionalities at various price points. On number 10. Serene. Serene is a macOS application designed to help remote workers, freelancers, and modern teams get into deep work and achieve their goals. We'll be talking about this app a few times throughout this article because it has something to offer for all of the goals we're looking at: getting organized, improving habits, and increasing focus. To make you more productive, Serene takes a unique approach to organizing your tasks. It prompts you to set a single goal for each day and then break this goal into several tasks to stop you getting distracted by tasks that don't contribute to your daily objective. You then work in timed sessions for each task with a short break in between each one. Short working sessions and regular breaks help you stay refreshed and keep you hitting targets throughout the day. On number 11. Todoist. Todoist is a task management tool that promises to turn complex to-do lists into something easily manageable. In many ways, it's like a Trello for individuals and without the cards, helping you keep track of your own tasks and make sure nothing gets forgotten. You can create and organize tasks, set and change deadlines, prioritize tasks, set project goals, and keep track of progress with the app's measurement and reporting features. If you're struggling to keep on top of your personal to-do list, Todoist offers a slick, cross-platform interface that makes it quick and easy to manage tasks. And that's about it for the 11 best gadgets and apps to boost your productivity. All of them were carefully reviewed before them being listed in our video. We hope you liked this video. Make sure to leave down your comments to let us know what you think about these. And as always, thanks for watching.